Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue if your Spotify application keeps on crashing. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Spotify application, but in the middle of using it, if the application keeps on crashing, then there might be a few reasons behind this. The first thing to check is to make sure that the Spotify application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Spotify and start your search. Once you find the Spotify application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you see an update button, you will need to tap on update to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on this and wait for a while until the latest updates are installed. Once the updates have been installed, you will see the open button once again, so you can go ahead and tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then you can try clearing the cache. Long press on the Spotify application and tap on the info button at the top right. Now, from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application has been stopped, scroll down and tap on storage, and now tap on clear data, and then tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data for Spotify. Once this step is completed, you will need to log back into your Spotify account. However, now all of the issues of your application crashing will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Spotify application crashing issues. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.